So guys, welcome back to today's video. If you are new here, you're welcome. So we'll be having someone I made this today. This is my twin sister. Okay, so this is her natural hair and she just washed it. So we'll be doing a slick down look for her today, and I'll be making use of my eco styler as usual. Then I'll be adding some water and oil to it, then I'll be adding some leave-in conditioner to it. So just watch, guys. So guys, this is the end result of the whole process. I hope you find the video helpful. Make sure you give the video a thumbs up, share to whoever you did, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much. Bye.